So here we go then, guys. We're just starting into town now. Yeah, it is mad here today. This is the weekend, it is Saturday, so the artist there. What a lovely thing Benidorm is. And you guys asking why we moved here. Anybody still got snow back in the UK? How many people are on the beach, guys? February, middle of February. Can't believe this. Huh? I really can't believe how many people are here. Got all the bars complaining now, of course. Didn't get such a big holiday this year. They usually get a couple of months off, don't they? After Christmas. January and February. Now halfway through February they're back. Strips back open and everything, guys. So yeah. Looking at a good year this year, I think. Yourselves over here, guys. A heartbreak there. Don't know if they're still doing entertainment. I should imagine, yeah, they are, definitely. Well, they've just not started yet. Around about 1 o'clock, I think, when we're doing this. So, yeah. We'll be on a bit later. It's just wherever you go, guys. I think I've been myself a little bit sluggish over the.
Hello, my friends. Enjoy
There you go, it is.
nice weather. Like and subscribe the channel, and always welcome in Benidorm. And whenever
And
you
always
come
get in the
to
bar.
Penelope, free tequila rose.
There you go. Thank you. Yeah, come and see the guy and help him out a bit. Yeah. Get yourself in the bars there.
Te da pena, no.
What we need now is, yeah, a really good year this year in Benidorm. I think it's going to happen. Hopefully then the price will come down a little bit. I think it's pretty expensive at the moment coming to Benidorm, especially from the UK. I think I'll keep my thoughts about that myself. So yeah, we're getting a bit further up now. A2 Lounge. AU Lounge, is it? Oh, alright. Right. Not done any night videos for a while. I think I'm going to start doing them again. It's a bit warmer now, so you probably still need a coat if you're coming out at night, but or sitting inside, whichever you prefer. Yeah, it really looks like it's getting back into season now. Benidorm. Absolutely fantastic. Well, we're just up by the old town now. Look at the bars. Everybody does when they come over, they just walk. They don't walk the rest of the year. Back when they were back in the UK, I'm sure. As soon as they get to Benidorm, it's a walk down the front here. Of course, it's only half the story. You got Pondietta over the other side. It's a fantastic walk too. Just want to show you how many people are at the bar. You know, heard of in the last few years. Absolutely. Remember a couple of years ago I did it. First night the strip opened, and yeah, it was busy on one end and then really quiet on the other. You can see, could be middle of summer, couldn't it, guys? I think it'd be a little bit more packed, a few more brollies, but this is what it's all about in Benidorm, man. This is why it's a good place to be when you're older. You've got the sun, the winters are not too bad over here. Might get a few cold nights, but you won't be too far from the sun. The sun helps all your joints. You want to get out more, and then once you're out more, that helps with all your mobility. So yeah, you don't just sit in the house when you get old over here. You are, yeah, still fit and able to come out and do what you want to do, go where you want to go. Do some repairs up here now. Should manage the drainage and stuff. That can't be good for business at the moment. That's probably something they've planned for months. And yeah, everybody's come over early this season. So, a little bit of a problem. Work's got to be done now, guys. It's just not the time. Time a bit off this year. Yeah. There we go. Oh, funny people out in the sea, look. Yeah, quite a few down there. The sea can't be that cold. Beautiful Benidorm's back. Not as it's been anywhere. That must be a nightmare for the hotel. With all this outside. Hopefully they haven't done in a few days' time though. And then we can all start over. Guarantee you the hotels are loving this. A lot more profit for them this year. Wouldn't have thought the other day you couldn't come down here. We had a bit of a storm. There's no water down here. Absolutely brilliant, guys. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.